Yeah, hello, my lovely fans. I just want to do a little freestyle on this new beat I created. So if there is anything you want me to add to the beats or to remove from the beats, just comment at the comment section. God bless you. So if you know you can do a little freestyle on these beats, if you can do a little freestyle on these beats, and you are in Lagos State, because I'm in Lagos, if you are in Lagos, just message me. Just message me. I will reply you. Just message me. I will reply you. Then I will invite you to come and do a little freestyle on the beats. God bless you.